Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share 2 amazing DIYs using discarded items. If you enjoyed today's video, then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIYs. So without further ado, let's get started. For the first DIY, I have taken an empty soft drink can and I'm going to remove its upper part. Now I'm going to paint the can using pink acrylic color. Once the can is completely dried, I'm going to make mandala pattern over it. Also give one coat of varnish over it if you want. And with this, our first DIY using waste can is ready. For the second DIY, I have taken an empty soap box and I'm going to cover it using black chart paper. After covering the box, I am cutting its flaps. And now I'm going to decorate the box using fabric lace. Now I'm going to paste some beads to enhance the look of the box. I completely forgot to cover the inner part of the box, so I'm going to cover it now. Next, I'm placing a waste fabric piece inside the box and I'm going to use it as a jewelry holder. You can use it as a gift box or anything you like. And our second DIY using a discarded item is ready. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did so, then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIY videos. And thanks for watching.